Hello book lovers. Welcome to Book Chapter. Have you ever felt a deep sadness that settles in without warning? It's a weighty feeling, but often there's no obvious cause. Renowned author Dale Carnegie describes this as melancholy, a silent sadness many experience but rarely discuss. Carnegie shares a profound insight. To lift this melancholy, we don't always need to change our surroundings. Sometimes, the change should come from within. Imagine a man deeply unhappy, exhausted yet with no physical ailment. Each day feels dull and burdensome for him. The reason? He's trapped in his own thoughts, cycling through worries and problems. Carnegie proposes a challenge. For 2 weeks, stop thinking about yourself. Instead, focus on helping and connecting with others. Initially, it seems like a simple task. However, as he shifts his focus outward, remarkable change occurs. He begins to help colleagues, listens to friends, and extends small acts of kindness. Gradually, his sadness diminishes, not overnight but steadily. By the 2-week mark, the melancholy that loomed heavy has started to lift. This teaches us a crucial lesson. Living inward can amplify sadness, while living outward can alleviate it. Carnegie emphasizes that emotional strife is often fueled by self-obsession. By fixating on our own problems, we inadvertently feed our discontent. But when we engage in meaningful activities, we can find relief. He introduces another vital concept: purposeful action. Waiting for feelings to improve before acting can prolong sadness. Instead, take action first, feelings will follow. Simple tasks, like writing a note or helping a neighbor, can instantaneously lighten our spirits. Moreover, Carnegie highlights the importance of routine. Idle moments allow melancholy to thrive. Establishing a daily schedule, consistent wake times, engaging with others, instills mental stability and clarity. Melancholy isn't a permanent state. It can improve when we change our habits and perspectives. Committing to 14 days of intentional living can pave the way for lasting emotional resilience. Carnegie's message is gentle and understanding. He doesn't advise us to suppress our emotions. Instead, he encourages us to navigate through them with connection, action, and purpose. If you're feeling low or unmotivated today, remember, dramatic changes aren't necessary. Start small, start with others, and begin today. Healing often begins when we look beyond our pain and contribute to the world outside. So, let's take that first step together. Engage with someone today and feel the lightness that follows. If you enjoyed this story and want to unlock more insights for overcoming challenges, subscribe to our channel.